Introducing DeWalt's heavy-duty drill holster and impact driver holster. Built with polyester material, they're compact and made to last. Slide it on any tool belt and go. The heavy-duty holster is angled for balance and has a variety of outer pockets for complete organization. Use the quick-release buckle featured on both holsters to secure your drill. Small and durable, the Impact Driver holster is designed for most drivers and features 4 small pockets to keep your bits close and organized. So whatever you're working on, use what works. The DeWalt Heavy Duty and Impact Driver holsters. Guaranteed tough.
Metalworking pros. Now you can get double cut shear performance in a turbo shear, drill attachment, or air tool. The versatile model TSMD turbo shear drill attachment fits a corded or cordless drill you already own. And a 360-degree rotating collar on the shear's clamp can be set in any direction for optimum work clearance and material flow. A 2600 RPM air-powered model TSMDA is also available. This unit is compatible with your existing shop air supply and offers maximum power and cutting speed in a double-cut style shear. The blades of Nalco double-cut turbo shears remove a narrow spiral scrap from the tool path to produce a clean, straight edge on both sides of the cut. These blades can approach a cut from either end to produce a quality workpiece edge. They can also navigate up to 90-degree outside profiles of metal roofing panels or metal ductwork, and are beefy enough to cut through seams. and you can easily disengage Malco double cut blades from the cutting path. The blades can also be quickly re-engaged to continue cutting. Both double cut turbo shear models use the same long-lasting blades, which are also easily replaced on the job.
Makita introduces new innovation in fastening, Impact Gold Ultramagnetic Insert Bit Holder. Attach the insert bit holder and get the advantage of ultramagnetic rare earth neodymium. It has 2 times the magnetic strength over standard bit holders and the convenience of one-handed operation with no cam out, even at 2300 RPM. Makita Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving. Makita introduces new innovation in fastening, Impact Gold Tilt Socket Adapter. Makita Impact Gold socket adapters tilt up to 15 degrees, great for use in tight work areas. These versatile adapters also work great in the straight position. No need to carry 2 adapters. One Impact Gold adapter does it all. Makita Impact Gold, the new gold standard in impact driving.
For square hole cutting, tight pattern cuts, cutting through spiral duct, and just plain fast shearing, Malco's rugged but inexpensive turbo shear drill attachments are truly amazing. The original TS1 turbo shear is a 2-handed operation. Blind cuts require only a 1/2 inch starter hole. This 20-gauge capacity turbo shear can even tackle metal enclosures for equipment, such as a furnace jacket, for example. For added flexibility, an optional drill clamp is available to convert the original turbo shear model for one-handed use.
Hey guys, Andrew Esquivel here, back with another review, and today I'm going to be reviewing something called the Drill Brush. Now, this is an attachment that fits on your drill that'll help you clean the most difficult grime in your restroom. Now, what I'm about to show you is pretty nasty, so if you don't want to see it, click away. But if you need proof that this thing really does work, stay tuned. Because the Challenger has appeared. Now, I have got hard water at this house, and because of all the hard water, these stains get really baked onto this thing hardcore. I have tried all the chemicals to try and see if I can get it to eat away at this grime and then wash it away, and none have succeeded. But the Drill Brush, it cometh to take away the grime. So let's see. Will it take away this grime? You know, those results really speak for itself. Like I said, I've tried every chemical, CLR, bleach, Lysol foaming stuff, you know, every kind of bathroom chemical by itself, and it just doesn't get this stuff off. But if I use a little bit of this Lysol bathroom stuff in conjunction with the drills, honestly, any kind of bathroom cleaning agent with this drill, holy cow, it really works. It actually gets all the grime off.